Hello friends, today we are going to solve exercise 10.1 question number 1. Okay, so we will go step by step. First read the question, draw a line say AB, take a point C outside it. So we will draw a line AB. Since the measurement is not given, you can draw with any measurement. So suppose I have drawn a line here. Okay, I have drawn this line and I will mark it as AB. Okay, now the second point they are saying that take a point C outside it. So suppose I have taken a point C over here. Okay, now you have to draw a line parallel to AB. You have to draw a line which is parallel to AB. Now we will use this property over for parallel lines. Suppose there are two parallel lines are there, and if there is a transversal, the alternate interior angles, the alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so now we have to prove, for making the line parallel, we have to prove that the alternate angles are equal. Okay, now suppose I join this line. I have joined this line. Okay, now here I have this line AB and I drawn a transversal. So till up to here it is there. Now I have to draw a line which will be parallel to line AB. That means we have to prove these two angles are alternate interior angles are equal. So what I will do, with any measurement, with any radius, I will draw an arc. I will draw the arc over here. Keep your rounder fixed. Keep the rounder fixed. I have drawn the arc. Now with the same measurement, what I will do, I will keep my rounder over here and I will mark this also. So I have drawn two arc. Okay, so I have given this point. Suppose I had measured given the point D. I marked it as point D. So I have drawn an arc from point D and I have marked an arc from point C. Now what I will do, I will measure this arc from here, from this point to this point. I have to measure this point. I have done the measurement. You have to measure this point. Now don't disturb this measurement. Keep your rounder over here at this point, the point where it intersect, and cut the arc. Okay, so now from this point of intersection, what I will do, I will draw a line. I will draw a line. Suppose I have marked it as L. So I have proved that this angle 1 and this angle 2, they are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. So when two parallel line, if a transversal cut two parallel lines and the alternate interior angles are equal in that, using this property we have drawn this line. I hope you have understood this. So whenever you want to prove, you want to draw a line, parallel to AB, so first thing we have to prove that the alternate interior angles are equal. Today we are going to solve question number 2 from exercise 10.1. So here it is written that draw a line L. So we will go step by step. सबसे पहले हम एक line L draw करेंगे. I have drawn. Since measurement is not given, so you can draw with any measurement. This is line L. Now the second step is draw a perpendicular to L. We have to draw a perpendicular line. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, so we have to draw a perpendicular line, perpendicular to line L at any point. Okay, suppose I have taken, now first thing I have to take a point. Suppose I have taken a point here. Suppose I have taken point A. Now we know that how to draw a perpendicular line. So what I will be, take any measurement, and आप कोई भी measurement ले लीजिए अपने rounder में, and draw an arc like this. Okay, now don't disturb this measurement. आपको measurement को हिलाना नहीं है, and keep your rounder over here at this point of intersection. Cut the arc. Okay, now keep your rounder now here in this point of intersection, and you will cut the second arc. Done. Now Keep your rounder again at this point of intersection, cut the arc here, and keep your rounder again at this point of intersection and cut the arc. Now this is the perpendicular line, so I will join this point. I will join this point. Okay, now what is the second step? On this perpendicular line, choose a point x. ये जो लाइन हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया है वहां पे मुझे एक पॉइंट x लेना है, which is 4 centimeter away from L. Okay, the measurement of this will be 4 centimeter. So you will measure 4 centimeter in your rounder. Suppose this is, I will measure 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. So what I will do, I will keep at point A and cut the arc. Now this is point X. This point is point X. Okay, now here what is the property of a parallel line and a transversal? Now if I prove, मैं अगर ये prove करती हूँ कि ये दो parallel line है और this is the transversal, if I prove that these two angles are equal, okay, then I can say that if the interior angles are equal, then I can say that the two lines are parallel. The same property we are going to use here. Since we have done the same type of question in question number 1, it will be easy for you. What I will do, this is the arc. So what I will do, I will keep my rounder over here and I will draw the arc. Suppose I have drawn the arc like this. I have drawn the arc. Okay, now measure this point. Measure this point. Keep your rounder over here and measure this thing. Now keep your rounder over here and cut the arc. Now draw this, join this 2 point. Join this 2 point. Okay, so we can say this is point X, this is point, suppose this is point N. This is line L and the line L is parallel to M. Why? Because the interior angle, we proved that the interior angles are equal. The interior angles are equal. Now we will repeat this one more time so that it will be easy for you to understand. What I have done here, I have taken any measurement. I took any measurement. Since the measurement is not given, this is line L. I mark a point A over here. I have to draw a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means 90 degree. So क्या करूँगी मैं, यहाँ पे कोई भी radius लीजिए and you will draw the arc. Okay, done. Keep your rounder at this point of intersection. Cut the arc. Now keep your rounder at this point of intersection and cut the second arc. Cut the arc over here and keep your rounder at this point and cut the arc. Join this point. This is 90 degree. We have done half of the question. We have drawn a line L and we have drawn the perpendicular line. ठीक है, अभी सेकंड में क्या बोल रहा है कि on this perpendicular line, ये जो perpendicular line हमने draw किया है, इसमें हमें एक point x लेना है. We have to take a point x on it, which is 4 centimeter away from L. Means that the x point will be 4 centimeter away. So what I will do, I will measure 4 centimeter here. I will measure 4 centimeter. I will keep my rounder over here and cut the arc. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, this point is point X and the distance here is 4 centimeter. Till here, up to here, done. Okay, now the property of a parallel line is two lines are parallel if the transversal, if the alternate interior angles are equal. If I prove that the alternate interior angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. Same property we are going to use here. We will prove this interior angle here and the alternate interior angle which we made this side will be equal. अगर हम ये proof करते हैं तो वो line parallel हो जाएगा. तो क्या करना है? We will measure this arc. Okay, this arc. We will keep the rounder at point X here. And we will draw the arc. Then we will keep our rounder at this point and we will measure the distance. This is the distance, so we will keep over here the rounder and we will cut the arc. हमने यहाँ से यहाँ तक का measure लिया है. फिर उसी measurement से हमने ये जो हमने x के ऊपर जो point x में जो हमने arc draw किया है उस point में रखेंगे point of intersection में और हम arc को काट देंगे. ये जो point of intersection है, this point of intersection, this point x, इसको हम join कर देंगे. ये मैंने join कर दिया. ये जो line हो गया ये parallel हो गया. Okay, so Why it is parallel? Because angle 1 here and angle 2 here are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2y, alternate interior angle. So अगर हमने ये दो proof कर दिया, then we can say that L is parallel to M. I hope it is clear.